Oh, it's been really good because my times might not be as fast, but I'm able to work on specific parts of the IM. In the end of March, I have Australian Age Championships. So that's the selection event for Junior Pan Pacs. So my training leading up to then will be very hard and worthwhile. And then the week after that, I have Australian Open Championships, which is the Olympic trials. So yeah, and that's also another qualifying for Pan Pacs as well. Yeah, I think it's pretty good at the moment. We've had a couple of national medalists last year, and so it was really good. And we've got some ACT people making New South Wales squads, so right from like junior sharks, which is 12-year-olds, to right up to ETS, which is the squad I'm on, where there's like 16, 17-year-olds. So yeah, it's really good.